Hey guys, today in this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you need to first launch your Bitget app and then log into your account if you haven't already. After that, if you don't have USDT in your account, then you can either purchase it in Bitget or you can even deposit it into your account. Now, once you have your USDT in your Bitget account, simply tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner. By default, you will be on this overview page, but you need to tap on the spot option in the top here, select USDT, and then over here you just have to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom. After tapping on withdraw, you will be landed on the withdrawal page of USDT where you just have to provide the address of the Tonkeeper. It would be the deposit address. So in order to get this address, you need to launch your Tonkeeper Wallet and then scroll down and select USDT. After that, tap on the Receive button and you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to just copy this address from here. Then come back to Bitget, paste the address in this section, then enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And after that, you just have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen over here. You need to make sure that the withdrawal network is selected as Toncoin as it is free. After that, on the next page, you just have to initiate and confirm your transaction. And once the transaction is completed, you will get your USDT from Bitget to your Tonkeeper Wallet. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.